In this video, guys, I'm going to explain what is affiliate marketing, but more importantly, if you stay at the end of this video, I'm going to explain how you can get access to a free course that will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing even if you're a complete beginner. So the first thing that we need to understand is that we can be an affiliate for a company and promote their products. For example, these are some of my results. I'm an affiliate for the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator, and as you can see on the screen, these are my affiliate links. And if someone buys through any of these links, I can make a commission. And the link that I promote, it's this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if someone put their information on that opt-in page, I'm going to have here another referral. And if that person buys in the future, and it could be like the next 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months, I'm going to get that commission because I'm sending a referral to this company. So check this out. I have right now $90 in unpaid earnings. And if I go to payouts, so these are my latest payments, $454, $128, $135. So as you can see, it's possible to make money with affiliate marketing, but you need to have the right system. So check this out. For example, maybe you know about Amazon.com. You can be an affiliate for Amazon and promote their products. If you scroll down and go here, become an affiliate. So I'm going to click here so you can see the next page. And you can sign up to be an Amazon associate. And once you have done that process, you can promote any product from Amazon. You can go to this page to check how is the percentage of the commissions that you can earn by promoting Amazon products. So check this out. Amazon Games pay you 20%, luxury and beauty 10%. For example, all other categories 4%. So as you can see, the commission rate is kind of low. That is why it's better to promote high ticket products or digital products in which you can earn like 40%, between 40% up to 60 or 75% of commission. Now, there is another example of website that you can find products to promote, clickbank.com. You can create a free account, go to the affiliate Clickbank marketplace, and find products to promote almost in any niche, like for example e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, and many more things. We have here another example, Digistore24. It's similar to Clickbank. You can promote a lot of products in many categories. Now, there is a special product, or let's say a high ticket product in which you can earn more commissions. For example, I'm going to show you. So this is Legendary Marketer. This is a well-known high ticket product, and you can promote this through this 15-day challenge. So check this out. You can learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing and earn commissions, higher commissions, if you promote a high ticket product like this one. Another example is Freedom Accelerator. You can promote also this high ticket through this challenge, the 72-hour challenge. And basically, to buy the challenge is not expensive because the price of this one is $9. And I think the price of Legendary Marketer is $7. And if someone put their information inside of any of those opt-in page, when you become an affiliate, if that person buys in the future, you can make that commission. And the cool thing about promoting high ticket products is that these are like more high quality products. So check this out. when you start learning from this training, so here you can learn how to, for example, get financial freedom by utilizing the 4 phases to freedom in the affiliate stacking ecosystem, in which you need to, first of all, build an automated sales system, which is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And once you have built that up, you need to send traffic to that system. And you can do that by creating between 5 and 15-second short videos, creating faceless artificial intelligence videos, utilizing Instagram, Facebook Reels, DM closing, like for example, Facebook Messenger. And also you can use YouTube to drive traffic to that sales funnel. So check this out. And I have used this information. So I utilize all of this knowledge to grow my YouTube channel, because having a YouTube channel is like one of the most powerful ways to drive traffic to your own ecosystem. Now, let me show you very quickly the system that I have been using for many months to make commissions by promoting Freedom Accelerator. So basically, you need to build an opt-in page, which is going to help you to collect a name and an email. And once you have that information, you need to send emails to promote like your main core offer, and then you need to send more emails to promote multiple offers, but also you need to write emails to give valuable information to your subscribers. So here I have been using this opt-in page. So check this out. It has a good hook, and when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. Then people will read more information. I have here a picture of the ebook and my own photo, because I want people to know that I'm promoting this product. Then people will get access to the next step, or the second page, in which I tell them that please check their email, because I'm going to send the ebook through email. And then they will go to the bridge page. And here I have a simple video explaining the product and the next steps they need to take in order they need to do, so they can start learning the skills about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So check this out. So this is my video, and this is a very simple video that I recorded. So people are going to find more information, and when they click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link, which is exactly this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they buy, I can make a commission in the front end. And then this software, ClickFunnels, is going to send that information to another software, which is Getresponse. So this is an email marketing software. So check this out. I have collected 1,233 emails, because one of the things that I learned from this training, the 72-hour challenge, in which Jonathan explains in the day number 1, the Freedom to Roadmap, is that the more emails we collect, the more money we can make, because having our own email list is one of the most powerful things that we can build, because it's our own asset. So basically, when you have your own email list, you can send multiple affiliate offers and products, and it's like having your own audience. Because when you start with affiliate marketing, you need to start driving traffic to it, and you can do that by paying ads or creating content. let's say like YouTube videos like this one, or short form videos by utilizing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels, or writing blogs. But you need to do something in order to get that email. And you have to work very hard at the beginning to start collecting those emails. But once you have that emails, so check this out. I can go here, click on email marketing, and then create a newsletter and write a simple email, and I can promote any product in the niche, or also I can promote my YouTube channel. So here with these emails, I'm promoting a YouTube video. This is a value letter. That means that it is only valuable information inside of these emails. Here I promote a YouTube video. This is for promoting a software. The name is Funnel Freedom, which is basically a done for you system that affiliate marketers can use to build this affiliate stacking ecosystem with multiple products and offers, even if they don't know how to build that system. Anyone can use this done for you system to start promoting multiple products, because it has all the affiliate stacking, all the products inside of this software, and you only need to drive traffic to an opt-in page. So you don't need to build this funnel. You don't need to build the email sequences. So check this out. If I go to automations, I have 119 people in progress going through this automation workflow. And basically, once you have collected that information, you need to build an email sequence in which you need to write all of these emails to promote your products, your social media channels, and also write valuable information. So check this out. When people subscribe to the Freedom Accelerator list, Getresponse is going to send these 2 emails, and then it's going to wait for 1 day, and then it's going to send another email. It's going to wait for another day, and it's going to send more emails. And inside of the emails, you need to put your affiliate links. Also, you can write emails to promote your YouTube channel. So here I'm promoting a YouTube video. This is for promoting another YouTube video. In this email, I promote a software, which is TubeBuddy. I use TubeBuddy to do keyword research for my YouTube channel. And instead of doing this entire system by yourself, you can utilize Funnel Freedom Data, which have all the email sequence, the opt-in page, and you only need to copy and paste your affiliate links and then drive traffic to your opt-in page. So this is the software. If I go to Funnel Freedom, because I want to show you very quickly the process. So here, Funnel Freedom, and then I'm going to click on update affiliate links. Here, affiliate link settings. And inside of this page, I copy and pasted my affiliate links for all of these products. The 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom, Secret of Success, System Data Joe, Legendary Marketer, Getresponse. And then I clicked on update affiliate links. And then the next step is to drive traffic to this simple opt-in page, which I'm utilizing to collect emails. And as you can see, how anyone can start the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated business from home. And when people click this button, you can collect a name, an email address, and if people want, they can put their phone number. And then the software is going to start sending emails automatically to promote all of those products that I just showed to you. So, and this is a really cool way if you want to start with affiliate marketing, because you don't need to do all the tech stuff. You can utilize this system and just focus on sending traffic to your own opt-in page. So check this out. This is the free course. If you want to get access, you can click the first link in the description. So this is a 7-part free course. The part 1 is best side hustle online to quit your job. The part number 2 is the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. The part number 3, the actual target you need to hit to quit your job. Part number 4, supercharge your results using AI. Part number 5, how to build your high-ticket affiliate system for free. Part number 6, 12,000 leads per month, 6 ways to get free traffic. And the part number 7 is the unfair tool that automatically closes high-ticket affiliate sales. So you need to click in all of these buttons. For example, if you want to go to the part number 2, and then you can watch here the lesson, and you're going to have resources below the video. So here you can join the community, which is a Facebook group. If you want to start with the 72-hour challenge, you can click this button. And then you can go through all of these phases, so you can start with this business model the right way. So if you want to get access, click the link in the description, guys. And if you have any questions about this video, you can write in the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you soon, and God bless.